Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see multiple choice questions which can be asked from History Unit 4 Opposition to British Rule in Karnataka. You have already watched the first 3 lessons of history. If you want to see them again, links are given in the description. Let's begin. The 18th century is considered as the century of political problems because of the death of Aurangzeb, the death of Tipu Sultan, the death of Hyder Ali, the death of Jahangir. Correct answer is A, the death of Aurangzeb. The incident that created political challenges in Mysore state in 1704 was the death of Krishnaraju Wadiyar II, the death of Chikkadevaraju Wadiyar, the death of Hyder Ali, the death of Tipu Sultan. Correct answer is B, the death of Chikkadevaraju Wadiyar. He was known for his innovations in arms and usage. Dondiya Wagh, Sangolli Rayanna, Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali. Correct answer is D, Hyder Ali. The Wadiyar of Mysore who was sidelined by Hyder Ali was Chamaraja Wadiyar, Krishnaraja Wadiyar first, Chikkadevaraju Wadiyar, Krishnaraja Wadiyar second. Correct answer is D, Krishnaraja Wadiyar. First Anglo-Mysore War took place between Hyder Ali and the British, Tipu Sultan and the British, Marathas and the British, Hyder Ali and the Marathas. Correct answer is A, Hyder Ali and the British. First Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangapatna, Salabai. First Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Madras. Option A. The main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War was the French attacked Mahe and captured it. The British attacked Mahe and captured it. Madhavrao attacked Srirangapatna. The British attacked Mysore and captured it. The main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War was option B, the British attacked Mahe and captured it. Hyder Ali was defeated in a battle held in Port Blair, Madras, Srirangapatnam, Porto Novo. Hyder Ali was defeated in a battle held in, correct answer is D, Porto Novo. The Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangapatna, Salabai. The Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Mangalore. Option B is the correct answer. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between Tipu Sultan and British, Hyder Ali and British, Marathas and British, Nizam of Hyderabad and British. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between Tipu Sultan and British. Option A is the correct answer. The politics of Travancore was the main reason for First Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War, Third Anglo-Mysore War, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. The politics of Travancore was the main reason for Third Anglo-Mysore War. Option C is the correct answer. The Third Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangapatna, Salabai. Here, the correct answer is option C, Srirangapatna. Tipu Sultan was forced to pay 3 crore rupees to the British as per the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangapatna, Salabai. Correct answer is option C, Srirangapatna. Tipu was forced to part with half of his kingdom as per the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangapatna, Salabai. Correct answer is option C, Srirangapatna. The British Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley. The British Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Lord Wellesley. Option D is the correct answer. Tipu Sultan died in the year 1799, 1798, 1792, 1794. Tipu Sultan died in the year 1799. Option A is the correct answer. After the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, a small territory was handed over to the royal representative of England, Nizam of Hyderabad, Mysore Wadeyars, Marathas. After the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, a small territory was handed over to the royal representative of Mysore Wadeyars. Option C is the correct answer. Dondiya Wagh was born in Savanuru, Shikaripura, Channapatna, Channagiri. Dondiya Wagh was born in Channagiri. Option D is the correct answer. Dondiya Wagh was called as the Wagh, which means the tiger, due to his courage, ability, strength, bravery. Dondiya Wagh was called as the Wagh due to his bravery. Option D is the correct answer. Kittur lies between Dharwad and Hubli, Hubli and Belgaum, Dharwad and Belgaum, Dharwad and Bijapur. Kittur lies between Dharwad and Belgaum. Correct answer is C. The son of Mallasarja was Shivalinga Rudrasarja, Shivalingappa, Shivalinga, Shivalingappa, Shivalinga Sarja. Correct answer is A. Shivalinga Rudrasarja. The adopted son of Kittur Rani Chennamma was Shivalinga Rudra Sarja, Shivalinga, Shivalingappa, Shivalinga Sarja. The adopted son of Kittur Rani Chennamma was Shivalingappa. Option C is the correct answer. The collector and political agent of the British in Dharwad was Krishnaraya, Thomas Munro, Colonel Dickon, Thackeray. The collector and political agent of the British in Dharwad was Thackeray. Option D is the correct answer. Chennamma was imprisoned at Kusugal, Bailhongal, Dharwad, Kittur. Chennamma was imprisoned at Bailhongal. Correct answer is B. Rayan of Kittur state belonged to Kusugal, Bailhongal, Dharwad, Kittur. Rayan of Kittur state belonged to Bailhongal. Chennamma was shifted to Kusugal prison from Bailhongala because the British thought that Chennamma and Rayanna may try to attack on them. Chennamma was being instigated by Rayanna. Rayanna was being instigated by Chennamma. Chennamma was being instigated by local leaders. Chennamma was shifted to Kusugal prison from Bailhongala because the British thought that Rayanna was being instigated by Chennamma. Option C is the correct answer. Even today many ballads have kept the life and bravery of Dondiya Vag, Chennamma, Rayanna, Tippu Sultan. Correct answer is C. Rayanna. Amarasulya rebellion was basically a farmers' rebellion, a tribals' rebellion, a labor's rebellion, a zamindars' rebellion. Amarasulya rebellion was basically a farmers' rebellion. Option A is the correct answer. The ruler Haleri dynasty dethroned by the British was Swami Apparampara, Chikkaveera Rajendra, Kalyana Swami, Puttabasappa. The ruler of Haleri dynasty dethroned by the British was Chikkaveera Rajendra. Correct answer is B. Surapura is in the present district of Bidar, Kalaburgi, Bijapur, Yadgir. Surapura is in the present district of Yadgir. Option D is the correct answer. The leader of Surapura rebellion was Peddanayaka, Krishnanayaka, Venkatappa Nayaka, Puttabasappa. The leader of Surapura rebellion was Venkatappa Nayaka. Option C is the correct answer. Venkatappa came to the throne after the death of Bangarasa, Krishnanayaka, Peddanayaka, Lakshmappa. Venkatappa Nayaka came to the throne after the death of his father Krishnanayaka. Option B is the correct answer. The British appointed him as resident and gained proxy power over Surapura. Campbell, Wellesley, Cornwallis Meadows Taylor. The British appointed Meadows Taylor as resident and gained proxy power over Surapura. So the correct answer is D. The leader of Koppal rebellion was Venkatappa Nayaka, Puttabasappa, Veerappa, Kalyanaswamy. The leader of Koppal rebellion was Veerappa. Option C is the correct answer. Halagali is a small village in Mudol Taluk of Dharwad district, Bidar district, Kalburgi district, Belgaum district. Halagali is a small village in Mudol Taluk of Belgaum district. Option D is the correct answer. Bedas of Halagali rebelled against the British because they were asked to surrender their firearms. They were forced to leave their village. They were asked to pay huge taxes. They were banned from hunting. Bedas of Halagali rebelled against the British because they were asked to surrender their firearms. Option A is the correct answer.